Today's video, I will be making banana bread. This delicious banana bread recipe I've been doing for years, and I finally perfected it. Here's my banana recipe. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what recipe you want me to make next. The ingredients you're going to need are 3 ripe bananas, 1 stick or half a cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1.5 cup of flour. First, you're going to mash your bananas. Once your bananas are mashed, you're going to add in eggs. Now we're going to mix. To a separate bowl, add your flour, baking soda, and salt. Now we're going to whisk. Set aside. Now to your butter, add your sugar. Now to mix. Set aside. Now to your banana mixture, add the sugar and butter mixture. Fold to combine. And now to this mixture, add in your flour. Now fold. The mixture is ready. Now to your greased baking dish, add your mixture. Now bake at 350 for 50 minutes. And look at how our banana bread came out. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you try this recipe out. If you do, tag us on Instagram, linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching.